Alright y'all, so here's the deal. YouTube keeps copyrighting my intro music. Every time I find one that I love and then you guys love it, I have to find another one because somebody sells the music and my videos keep getting copyrighted. So I'm not playing with y'all no more. So right now, this is what we have, okay? This is what we have until I make my own intro music because I can't be bothered. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new setup. I don't know if I posted my room transformation video or not yet. If I haven't, here's a little sneak peek. And if I have, then here we are. If you're not interested in this little explanation, just go ahead and skip to the timestamp that I'm gonna put right here where the actual tutorial starts. I just wanna say a few things. So if you saw my recent video on me using a protein deep conditioner for 3 days in a row, I just want you to know this is the same day still. I'm wearing the same shirt. And my hair, I just moisturized and sealed it, and it's doing all right, you know, it's doing all right. My hair has dried up. It doesn't feel as mushy, so we have made it through. By the time you see this, I promise my nails are done, but today they're not. And also, I'm probably just gonna do a voiceover for this video because this is literally the same exact technique that I have used in a previous video when I did this when my hair was kind of honey blonde. So I'm just doing the same exact thing. And I also plan on doing a video on how to take them out because that was the most asked question on my last braidless crochet video is how do you take these out successfully. So look out for a video on that as well if you're interested in that. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright you guys, so I'm starting with my hair off in twisted sections. I know a lot of people do this style on like a low bun, but I don't feel like sleeping on a low bun for the next 2 weeks. So this is what I have here. And then I'm going to put a wig liner cap over it. It's the one that's kind of like a fishnet design, and it just gives my hair like some more breathable room. So I'm going to put that over my hair to protect it. The hair that I'm using is the Brazilian water curl in the color T1B/BUG, which is burgundy. Of course, you guys know I will have a link in the description box. I got 5 packs, but I suggest you get 6 or 7 packs because I definitely ran out, but you'll see that towards the end. So if you've never seen a video like this before, I'm going to show you a few times how I get my hair done. So I just open the latch and I put the hair on the crochet latch hook, and then I pull it through. Now, for some reason, I don't know why I only tied it one time, but I usually knot it twice, 2 or 3 times. But for some reason, I was just not paying attention. I only did it once throughout my whole entire head. It's 3 days later and they're all still in my head, but I suggest that you do it twice just for the extra security. So I just put the crochet needle through my hair, open the latch hook, put the hair on the latch hook, pull it back through, and then you want to knot it twice. So I'm going to speed through a lot of this because it's very repetitive. It's very, very easy. It's a very simple process. It honestly took me an hour and a half to do all of this. Very simple. So I'm just going to speed past it so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. But it's no need for a repetitive explanation. So I wanted to show you the back of my head so you can see you really cannot see through these curls at all. So if you're afraid that your twists are going to show through, you are covered, girl. But this is the part where I kind of ran into some problems. I have so much uncovered hair left and I only have 1 pack of hair left. So definitely get 7 packs because I was a little nervous here. But at this point, I never separated any of the pieces up until this point. So you might want to separate the hair if you only get 5 packs like I did. So I separate the hair and then it becomes a little frizzy. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Texture ID styling foam to get the hair back together into its like nice curly texture. So I'm going to do that for the rest of the hair because I had to separate every single one of those pieces in that pack. Alright, so when you get to the top of your hair, you're going to want to grab a pair of scissors, just like I did in my last crochet video. And I'm just going to cut at the part where my parting is at, and cut through about, I don't know, like 2 inches of it, just so my parting can start to show. And then I'm going to secure the net back onto my head since it's not tight anymore with the crochet hair. So I'm crocheting the net and my hair onto my head so that it doesn't slip back. So I'm just going to cover up the rest of the hair that I have. Okay, so at this point, I have no more packs of hair left, and I still need to cover up some spots on the top. It's not horrible, but I can still see my net a little bit, and I just want to cover up a little bit more pieces. So, you know, I took good old faithful some pieces from the back of my hair where I feel like I may have overcrowded it just a little bit. So I'm taking pieces out through the back. Try to be gentle so you don't mess up the hair. Girl, you just had to do, I had to do what I had to do, you know what I'm saying? So I just went ahead, took pieces from the back and the sides and split them in half so I can cover up the rest of my hair. Now I still feel like I could have used another pack because I wanted to cover up my hair just a little bit more. But you know, yeah, I just did what I had to do. I did what I could do with what I had left, and I think it turned out just fine. Okay, so I stole a few pieces from like the side and the back, and you can kind of tell where I borrowed some pieces because it looks a little empty right here, but your girl had to do what your girl had to do. So right now I just want to cut the hair because it's kind of falling weird on my face. So I'm just going to take these scissors. These scissors are horrible, but I'm going to try to make them work, and I'm going to just frame out my face a little bit. Alright, so last things last, I'm going to use my 24-hour edge control by Cream of Nature and just do up my edges just a little bit. I know I need to leave my edges alone, but y'all, I just cannot help it. And especially with this style, I just had to get them together, okay? Leave me alone, y'all. Leave me alone. So anyways, in the next clip, you're going to see it's going to be the next day and my face is ready and everything. I'm going to try to keep this hair in as long as I can, but y'all know how I do. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot. No matter